Hello, friends. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of January 19th, 2016. I am aware I'm in 2016 this time. Trade Navigator software is where the charts we're going to use in this presentation come from. And the first thing we're looking at here is a weekly bond market chart. You could make the case that they look like they're making a triple top here, but they are going up at this point, and that's sort of the primary thing. Right now, they're going up. This leaves us with an upside target way up here around 161 this week. On one hand, I don't think they'll get there. On the other hand, if we have problems in the stock market, and if the global stock markets continue to slide, we actually could get there easy and blow through it. The support to hold if they're going to continue up is this upper moving average here at 157.16. Any major recovery in stocks, and I think we'll be to 155.28 or possibly lower. But by and large, you have to be impressed with the way this market has behaved. And I just will state again, way back here was when the Fed raised rates and everybody said, okay, they're going to fall out of bed now. How's that looking? Moving to the stock market, where they certainly have fallen out of bed, they did at least come down and hold the projected low in the lower Keltner band last week. Doesn't mean that's any good, but they certainly are in support and could be due for a bounce here. Support this week goes all the way down to 1835 here. That's possible. If they're bouncing, they should start to bounce, though, without getting there, I think. The resistance to hold them to start them back down again is 1930. That would be the lower moving average. But I think a move back to 1965, which is this middle moving average here, or even higher. I mean, the lows they broke down from are up closer to 1980, and that's sort of the old hound dog philosophy of the way a market behaves. It breaks down out of something like these lows here, and then it's got to go back and sniff and see what it just did. So that's a possibility that we could be back up into that area here. Doesn't have to happen this week, though. But that's what we're looking at here, that the 1930 area, if they're going to continue back down, you would think they ought to be due for a bounce at some point. But I'll tell you what, they don't seem to hold any rally they have for very long. It takes nothing to tear them apart so far. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get your